Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Basics with me, and this is me Bhanu. Today we are going to learn Euclid's 5 postulates. In the previous video we have seen that Euclid's 7 axioms. So here the postulates which we are going to discuss are 5 in number. So let's start. The foremost is a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any another point. It's very simple. You can draw a straight line from one point to another point. These 2 points can be in any direction, either from here to here, or either this. Now, here the theorem is related to this postulates. Now, theorem is given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. It means that 2 points are given, and when you pass a single line, there is only one line that will pass through these 2 points. But you can draw as many lines as to one point. But if you connect the 2 points, or you try to draw line by connecting the 2 distinct points, then you will get a single line. Remember, when you will connect 2 distinct points, you will get always a single line. But at a given point, you can draw as many as lines you can. So this was the theorem which is connected to or linked to our number 1 postulate. So moving to the second, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Means suppose here the line is A and B, which you can say a line segment or a line only, or you can say a terminated line because the line started from A and ends at point B. But you can produce this line to indefinitely. Means you can extend this point B to wherever you want, and this A to this left side wherever you want. Now moving to the third, we have a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. It means suppose you have given a line this and you have asked to draw a circle with a point which is A here. So here you have asked to draw a circle, so you will take like this and draw a radius of this, and you will get a circle like this. So here a circle can be drawn with any center or any radius. Now moving to fourth one, all right angles are equal to one another. Simple. Right angles is, this is the symbol for the right angle. So here the right angle is 90 degree. In any way, if you make a triangle of a 90 degree, you will get the 90 the same only, because 90 degree is the same, only one thing, 90 degree. There is no difference between the angles if they are of 90 degree and equal. Now moving to the fifth one, which is the last, if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines, suppose this is the straight line, this is the straight line P and Q, which is falling on 2 straight lines A, B and C, D. So here, if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines makes the interior angles, here pay attention to the interior angles on the same side. These angles which are interior and should be on the same side of it taken together less than the 2 right angles. Means you have to take the interior angles on the same side. First of all, there should be interior angle, these are the interior angle, and on the same side, both are on the same side. And third one, that the angles, these angles should be less than 90 degree. See, it takes together less than 2 right angles. Then the 2 straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. Now from here to here, the meaning is, I hope you got from here to here, that if a straight line falling on, if a straight line falling on two straight lines, then the interior angle which are less than two right angles, because these two are smaller than the two right angles, then if you produce from here, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than the two angles. Now you have to produce these two lines to this way, not this way, because here you are getting less than two 90-degree angles. If you produce here, they will not meet, but here if you produce these two, because the angle is smaller than 90, so at a certain point these two lines will intersect. So suppose I have taken here, these two lines are intersecting at this point. So here angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2, which is smaller than two 90-degree angles. Here it is not 90 degree, it is greater than 90 degrees. So here it is given in this postulate that angle 1 and 2, if you add, you will get smaller than two 90 degrees. And when you extend the points or the lines to indefinitely, then they will meet at a certain point. But the condition is that the points that you are extending should be on the side of where the angle is smaller than 290 degrees. Thank you friends for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.